And some big news for frontline healthcare workers at the province's COVID-19 update today, saying they will provide them with premium pay. PSW's nurses, long-term care staff, hospital staff, and those at shelters are just some of those who will receive the money.
They will receive a $4 per hour pandemic pay premium for every hour of work they complete for the next 16 weeks. On top of that, those who work over 100 hours per month will receive a $250 bonus per month for up to $1,000 over the next 16 weeks.
The Premier adds the pandemic pay premium will hopefully help facilities attract more workers as the need continues. Ford also thanks the federal government for their support in making this a possibility.
Open up Ontario! End this now! Open up Ontario!
And that's a look at the scene outside Queen's Park before and during the Premier's announcements today. Protesters pushing for the government to reopen and get things back to the way they were before the coronavirus emerged. It's a similar scene to some that have been popping up across the U.S. over the last couple of weeks. In response, Premier Ford had some stern words for those taking part.
When I looked out the window and we see these people that are absolutely irresponsible. It's reckless to do what they're doing. And personally, I think it's selfish. We have healthcare workers down the street at these hospitals working around the clock. But then we have, a bunch of yahoos out in the front of Queen's Park sitting there protesting that the place isn't open, as they're breaking the law and putting everyone in jeopardy, putting themselves in jeopardy, putting the workers in jeopardy, and God forbid one of them end up in the hospital down the street. We're better than this.
Many of the signs pointed to governments initiating fear during the pandemic, something Ford reiterates is not the case on any level of government across the country.